Every day I wake up that I'm doing work for something better. My job as editorial director is I think about Food Tank's work in like 3 separate buckets. We do our summits, we have content that runs every day, all content's original to Food Tank, and then we work on some international research projects partnering with international organizations. And I do a little bit of all of that. I edit all the content, I manage our editorial calendar, and I work with, we have a fellowship and an internship program, and I manage those programs. You know, people want to be involved in good things. They want to do things that make them feel good. So I think that that's a really important part of the communications that Food Tank does every single day. You can't force someone into a movement, but if they come to it on their own because of the information they've had access to, that's, it's such a stronger way to get people involved because they feel it they come on their own terms, on their own grounds. You can show them information and facts and give them access to that information to make those choices on their own. And once someone decides that, like, oh my gosh, we have so much work to do, like I can get involved in this way, you can engage them in various ways, that's how you can really start to create change. So the work we do at Food Tank, we work with people of all different sides of the issue. So at our conferences, we have folks on panels that are like, the small organic farmer is going to be on the same panel as a Monsanto rep. And we try to, again, create a space to frame this issue in a way that everyone can talk about the solutions. So just because these people don't agree with each other, like their voices are still important when discussing the future of any issue. I mean, food is polarizing. It's really close to people. And there's really nothing you can do about that. And so engaging in a good way is so important. And that comes down to communications, which I learned in my PCOM classes.